It is dark and cold. You can see the skull of the man in front of you. He turns around slowly and says,
"The moon is shining. The dead man's riding. Should I order a pizza? Garn, garn."
Today in the news. The mayor of Reykjavik, Jón Gnarr, has announced that he will not run in the next municipal elections. "I think my time has come," he said. "If I were to do it again, I would have to become a politician, and I'm not one. I'm simply not a politician. I'm a comedian." When asked about his future plans, Jón Gnarr replied that next he will be seeking happiness. It has recently come to my attention that it's cheaper to park a private airplane in the middle of Reykjavik than a car. While it only costs a couple of thousand kronur to park an airplane for a full day, it costs 225 kronur per hour to park a car. That is roughly $2 per hour. If my calculations are correct, it would therefore cost about $44 to park a car for 25 hours. However, for those who don't find enough challenge in paying for parking, there's also a chance of buying an old stamp for 800,000 kronur. It's currently on sale on eBay. 3 Icelandic natural wonders sites will begin charging admission fees starting next year. These will be the Geysir area, Dettifoss, and the volcano lake Kerið. Personally, I wish the money will go for building toilets near Dettifoss, because after hours of driving, listening to a waterfall is difficult. And now, tomorrow's weather. Reykjavik. Cloudy, cloudy, snow, snow, cloudy, cloudy, sunny, and cloudy. Akureyri. Cloudy, cloudy, snow, snow, sun, cloudy, sun, cloudy. Höpp. Rain, drizzle, 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 drizzle. The wind will be blowing from all directions and it will be strong. Be safe. This has been Icelandic News and I am Hulda. See you again next week.